In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a fiscal year in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money uses a standard calendar year for budgets and reports from January to December. It does not currently have a built-in option to change the fiscal year start date. However, you can work around this using a few settings. To start, go to Settings, then Data, and set a clean start date. This allows you to ignore transactions before a specific date, which helps you align your tracking with your own fiscal year. Next, in the Budget tab, you can manually adjust your rollover amounts or shift how you organize your monthly budget to match your preferred timeline. You can also use the Report section and set custom date ranges, like July to June, to analyze your spending and income based on your fiscal year instead of the calendar year. While it is not fully automatic, these methods help you track your finances according to your own reporting period. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.